These were the howls last heard 13,000 years before. Yes, you heard that right. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more untold stories of nature from around the world. Meet the dire wolf, a species which long gone extinct since Pleistocene era. Now meet Remus and Romulus, first two dire wolves since Stone Age. Colossal Biosciences is a biotechnology company that uses genetic engineering to de-extinct the lost species. They have brought back the dire wolf, which was extinct for 13,000 years. Remus and Romulus are male. Dire wolves are now 6 months old and carefully monitored in their environment. How did they brought back dire wolf? They extracted DNA from fossils, which preserved ancient DNA from the bone of a 13,000-year-old, and the other bone was from 72,000-year-old. They engineered the DNA to generate 2 dire wolf genomes, and they compared those genomes with the genomes of living wolves. To find out the dire wolves' genomes are similar to each other, and difference between dire wolf and wolves, they re-engineered the core traits and characteristics of the extinct species to make it unique and able to fulfill the role in their ecosystem, if they were still alive. Using this data, they made 20 modifications to 14 genes in the DNA of common grey wolf. The DNA was transferred to denucleated egg cells to make sure the characteristics of the dire wolf cannot be affected from the carrier egg cells, which then developed into embryos and embedded in the wombs of surrogate, which were hound mixed dogs. Right after 3 months of the birth of Romulus and Remus, they welcomed a female dire wolf which they named Colossal. Each of these dire wolves are expected to grow 6 wong and 160 pounds. These 3 dire wolves will live out their lives inside 2,000 acres of protected ecological reserve. Now Colossal Biosciences are working on a project to de-extinct the woolly mammoth by the end of 2028, and also working on to bring back the many long-gone species from Earth, including Tasmanian tiger and dodo bird. Since de-extinction is possible, will the dinosaurs come back? What are your thoughts? Drop in the comments if you enjoyed this story. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.